So this is the Nostalgia Snow Cone Cart. My kids have been begging me for snow cones now that the weather's warming up. It's definitely a lot cheaper in the long run if you make your own. This one's really cute too. It has a little tray to hold a couple cones. I have a couple plastic ones that it comes with. I do not have any of the paper ones. The plastic ones are environmental friendly though. It also does come with a little ice scoop. It doesn't really have the snow cone scoop, which is my one complaint. But it also has a little door that you open up. It almost makes me think of like a little like popcorn cart or something like that. It's definitely cute. The wheels do not turn. They are for just looks. And I'll show you a close-up of the top part of it. Alright, so this is the top part. You got your lid, which turns it on and off. Then we got our little grinder in here. You take this little thing off. You can take this whole thing apart. There's not really a whole lot to clean because it is, it's just water, it's ice. And the blades are in here, so you want to be careful. Don't stick your fingers in there. Don't let your kids play with this because they will get cut. I mean, it's cutting ice, so we definitely don't want to lose a finger. And it's easy to put it all back together. It's also got little grips in there to kind of grip the ice and move it around. And when you turn it, it will turn it on. So there's no switch or anything. It's all ran by the lid. I forgot to put our little piece in here to hold that in. All right, we'll go ahead and we'll put some ice in and I'll show it to you. I'm just using regular cubed ice from an ice tray. Now, if you have an ice maker on your fridge, or if you buy the bagged smaller pieces of ice, it's definitely going to work better, but this ice works just as well as too. Just put a few pieces in each one. I had about half a tray of ice here. I mean, it's definitely not quiet, but most of these are going to be loud. Show you a side view of the snow coming down. So it does a nice fine shave. Alright, so we got our snow cone ice here. Definitely does a pretty good job of doing a fine shave. We'll go ahead and put one together here. I am going to try to find one of the regular snow cone scoops. I'm trying to get a close-up of it. If I can get it to kind of focus here. There it goes. You can see it's nicely fine shaved. Almost looks just like snow. There we go. It was still trying to focus on that one little spot. Now, I picked up a couple syrups from a store. I didn't get any of like the kits online or anything like that, or like the Nostalgia kit, which they do have, which comes with cups, their own syrups and everything. So I just have this little like Kool-Aid one. Really, that's not a syrup. It's watery. And this is a like Kool-Aid cherry one. So we got our first one there. I'll definitely have to try to get some regular syrups that are meant for this. Pretty good. I went ahead and made a little more snow. I got a little carried away there, having fun with this thing. I'm gonna go ahead and make a second one. It definitely works pretty well, and I think it's super cute. I was gonna get a little itty bitty cheap one at the store, but I thought I'd rather just get something that looks pretty neat and will definitely do a better job. That, and we'll do more of it at a time. This one, it says it could do up to 20 snow cones worth at a time. This one, I'll show you that syrup. As you can see, it's really liquidy. It looks just like Kool-Aid pretty much. And I got a grape one as well, so I'm going to use that in the second one. I'll have to get their kit and syrups just to give that a try. So there we go. That's the Nostalgia Snow Cone cart. I think it's super cute. Works really well. A little better than I actually thought it would. And yeah, I definitely recommend you checking it out if you are interested in getting a snow cone maker. The price point's pretty decent, and the kids are going to love this thing. Anyway, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment below.